Hey, welcome to another car wash detailing video. Today I'm going to be testing out Turtle Wax polishing compound lined to medium cleaner to see if this is a substitute for a clay bar treatment on a car. Hope you enjoy the video. If you're new, please subscribe. Let's go. So here's my Bolt EV electric car, which has just been washed. And clay bar treatment, as you all know, is to get rid of the stuck contaminants that are on the paint. If the paint feels rough, or if you go with some plastic over it, and you can feel this rough, scratchy feeling, then you know there are a lot of paint contaminants there, and you need clay bar treatment. I find clay bar treatment very, very cumbersome. Really, a lot of work. It looks very complicated, with the flimsy little clay like over the car and then the clay loop. So I wanted to see, isn't there something easier that can do the same thing, but less troublesome. And then I found Turtle Wax light to medium cleaner polishing compound, which says, that's what it looks like, that it removes stuck contaminants, paint on paint, light oxidation, road film, dirt and grime. So we're going to be testing it out and see if it's a substitute for the clay bar. Turtle Wax comes in this small pot. Purchased this one on Amazon for, I believe, around €10. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. The lid itself is quite fragile. As you can see, mine broke, so I had to glue it a bit. But it looks like a light, creamy substance. And as you can see on my finger, there's probably mild abrasives in there, but it feels very slick, and I wouldn't be too scared to put this on my car. You also have a heavy duty cleaner from Turtle Wax. That is more for cars that have never seen any treatment, but this I think is perfect for any paint that looks great but just needs a good clay bar treatment. Dumped all these cars here that needs a good clay bar treatment. If you want to do, let's say, a ceramic coating or a nice wax, then everything is clean and it'll last much longer. Let's see what this looks like. So according to Turtle Wax in the package, you just need a microfiber towel on which you put the polishing compound, but the towel needs to be wet. So dumped. Okay, but you get the point. It needs to be moist. And then it apparently glides better and distributes the compound better. Let's see when we apply it on the car what will happen. Probably will need to dry this a bit first. And just for full disclosure, this car has been washed. I have used a iron decontamination spray, Flugrostentferner auf Deutsch. And the car already looks pretty good, but this is the last step before we can put the wax on the car. And I recommend doing this maybe once per year, depending how dirty your paint is. And as I live in the Netherlands, where you have a lot of idiots that just slam open their door, I also have a bit of paint transfer here and a mild scratch. This dent, verdamt, annoying cars. And we're going to see whether the Turtle Wax can also remove this small scratch. So we're going to load the product on the towel, which is wet. Nice and creamy. This looks like it's going to make the paint super smooth. And let's see what it looks like when we apply it on the car. So you can distribute it a bit like a paste wax on multiple places, and then just gently start rubbing it in. You do panels, and then just like the paste wax, let it sit there for a few minutes before you buff it off. As you're doing this by hand, you want to make sure that you hit the panel in all possible ways. So with straight lines and also with horizontal lines, with a mild pressure, so not like this, but like this. and then just rub it in and let the product itself work on the paint as you apply the mild pressure. That guy. I like doing this, it's very easy, and I'm very curious what the results will be. So the hood has been done. Here you can see how it hazes. I have a white car, but as you can see, thanks to the light from above, you can see there is a light mist and a light haze. And let this sit for 5 minutes. You can work on another panel and then take another microfiber towel to buff it off. As I'm buffing this off, it's definitely, I mean, okay, it's not difficult, but it is not as easy as I thought. I can still see the product on the car. And yeah, you definitely don't want to do this outside in the sun also. I guess it can dry. Yeah. Don't spend too much time with it on the car and get it off, let's say, in 2 minutes or so. Really make sure you bring enough of these microfiber towels for buffing off, because it's a lot of work on car. I have these Dunlops, they're very cheap and of high quality, and I'll be using those now for the rest of the car. So now I'll be focusing on the scratch that this idiot made. Well, whoever he is, greetings go out to you, you stupid person. Let's see if Turtle Wax polishing compound can remove this. I'm going to buff off the product. And indeed, unfortunately the dent is still there, but the scratch is completely invisible. So that's a nice attribute of this polishing compound from Turtle Wax. Not only does it clean the paint, but it's also able to remove these minor scratches. I'll deal with this dent in some other video. Yeah, and as I'm going around the car, a small update. It's not so aggressive, this Turtle Wax. It's definitely mild. You shouldn't need to worry if you have put this on your car that you'll cause scratches or something. It's also great at removing small stains and leftover insect marks, although that's from chipstone. Yeah, you just wipe it right off with this product. As always, less is more also with this product. A rule that I often make a mistake with, but once you buff this off, you can already see how nice the reflection and the shine is, and it really restores yeah, the crispness of this white paint. This is a 4-year-old car, has seen a lot of outside activity, dust and summer, and not always that well washed and protected. But this is something I'm starting to like, and it's indeed super smooth. Let's finish the car. Be careful around the edges, because as you see, it does leave white marks, and those are really hard to get off. Yeah, and as I continue to make my way down the car, I did notice some spots. Probably you cannot see them with maybe here. You can see them with the camera. I hit those twice with the Turtle Wax product. These are very mild orangey parts. They're not going off. So maybe this is still yeah, a compromise for anybody who doesn't want to do a clay bar treatment. Yeah, it works, but doesn't remove everything. Could also be that these are still parts that I should have hit yesterday better with the iron remover. Not sure. What do you think? And also here on the roof, there's just certain spots that are, yeah, I guess they're too deep in the paint. You hit them really hard with the Turtle Wax compound, but yeah, you just can't get them out. I think this needs to be polished out, or use something with a more severe cut. Do you think this thing, I'm scratching it, nothing happens. Can a clay bar remove this, or is it too deep already? Let me know how to remove this. I wanna know. So here, really nice view how the product hazes on the car. Left clean, and here on the right, product just applied. And I must say, when you grab it in your hands, you open this up, as you can see. It actually reminds me a bit of a something in between shaving foam and clay. So, and it doesn't cut too strong. I think it also has cleaning capabilities inside. I really like it. Maybe I can clean other parts with this too. But yeah, I think it's a very nice product. You're not going to destroy your car with this. And when I removed it, the paint was already super smooth, which I'll show you in a little bit. I'm also using it to clean off some of the leftover insect rests. Also parts that have burned in a bit, water spotting. And I think the product does a great job doing that also on the mirror. So we're all done here. Car has been treated with the Turtle Wax mild polishing compound. And as you can see, the car is shining amazing. As a matter of fact, I was just here and then a guy came from the supermarket and he said, dude, the car looks like new, it looks very beautiful, what are you using? So I showed him this, that I'm using this. And yeah, I guess that's the type of compliments you're looking for. So yeah, quite happy with the results so far that Turtle Wax mild polishing compound gave me, and a first compliment, and that only in 45 minutes of hard physical labor, because it's a hard work. Proudly showing off the final result. Very beautiful shine. The stupid people scratch has been removed on the roof. This paint really does look like new. And yeah, this is just this actually exceeds my expectations. Also, the paint is so smooth. It's like yeah, they say baby skin. I mean, it can be a slice of ham, can be silk, smooth as butter, whatever you want to call it. It's great. I'm very happy with it. In summary, I think it's a great well, compromise for a clay bar treatment. What do you think? Have you used this? Let me know what your feedback is and your suggestions. Have I done it right? And yeah, do you insist on the clay bar, or could this also be a solution? I think it is the perfect compromise. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.